If you own a 2004 to 2006 Pontiac GTO, you know the interior is probably showing its age, especially that shift knob. This replacement kit promises to bring back that factory fresh feel, but can a leatherette piece really stand up to the T56 abuse? Let's dive into the LMP 13050 and LMP 1316 combo. This is a direct fit replacement for the center floor location, designed specifically for the GTO. The first thing that grabs your attention is that vibrant orange stitching. For anyone running a black interior, this color pop is exactly what you need to refresh the cabin aesthetic. It's a 6-speed manual knob, perfectly replicating the original T56 pattern. Now, the material is leatherette, which is a durable synthetic, and while it's not genuine leather, the texture and feel are surprisingly high quality for a replacement piece at this level. It's built with high standard and care to meet industry quality control, which is reassuring when you're dealing with a critical touchpoint like the shifter. Installation is where you need to pay attention to the fine print. The manufacturer explicitly recommends applying silicone to the shifter shaft. This is crucial. If you skip this step, you're going to find that knob spinning loose on you, especially when you're aggressively rowing through the gears. It's a small extra step, but it ensures reliable and consistent performance. Another critical detail is what's not included. This kit gives you the knob and the boot, but you must reuse or separately purchase the retainer bezel, part number LMP 1318. Don't throw out your old parts until you confirm you have that bezel ready to go. Overall, this is a fantastic way to eliminate that cracked, peeling, or faded original knob and boot. It instantly makes the car feel newer and cleaner. For GTO owners looking for a high-impact, low-effort interior upgrade, this orange-stitched leatherette combo is a powerful solution. It's a quality refresh that respects the car's muscle heritage.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.